Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And stocks are on the rise after the midterm elections came to a close yesterday. I want to take a look at the S&P 500 who jumped above its 200-day moving average right here, currently trading at 2,789.97, up over 1% on the day, with the chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we are technically a long-term downtrend with a red monthly and red weekly trade triangle, but with this move higher, it's put that under some pressure and it's leaning more towards a sidelines position. Key level to watch remains 2,816.94. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a true sidelines position. So we'll have to see if this momentum holds up through the end of the week to give us that new green weekly trade triangle. The Dow, conversely, did give us a new green weekly trade triangle today at 25,817.68, trading above its 50-day moving average and pushing the chart analysis score to plus 75, indicating that a long-term up position might be in order for the Dow. I'd like to see that chart analysis score push more to plus 100, which if the continued movement up will do in the next couple of days, we'll definitely get to that score level. So our key level to watch now will be 24,122.23. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. The Nasdaq still has some work to do. However, it is up 1.7% today, changing the chart analysis score to negative 70, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend, but we are seeing some recent strength as it's getting close to its 200-day moving average, which stands right here at 7,519.43. Need a move above that to continue the strength upward. However, we still have some room to get to, standing at 7,670.49. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. The dollar not reacting so kindly to the elections last night. Currently down about 0.4%. Had been down and traded as low as 95.48 in early trading this morning before backing off the lows. Current chart analysis score still plus 65, indicating that overall a long-term trend is still in play for the US dollar, just coming under some recent weakness. And our key level to watch would be 94.47. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Crude oil had been up in early trading as high as 63.18 before backing off those highs and heading lower on the day, down about 1.2%. In fact, it's actually down over 3% on the week once again. Chart analysis score remains negative 100, indicating that overall a long-term trend is down for crude oil. Reason for the move lower today was a report came out that supply inventories are higher than expected, and looks like we may be heading into the winter months with an oil glut versus supply shortages that everyone was expecting. Key level to watch would be 64.14. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold, moving opposite of the dollar this morning, was up as high as 1,238.40 before backing off to its current level at 1,229.20, up about 0.2% on the day. However, did issue a new green daily trade triangle at 1,237.80 in early morning trading. However, the chart analysis score is still negative 75, kind of in a sidelines mode with a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle and trapped between the 200-day and 50-day moving average. Key level to watch would be 1,224.20. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. I'll back it out here, go to Bitcoin, which actually gave us a new green weekly trade triangle yesterday, triggering at 6,486.29, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 70, indicating a true sidelines position for Bitcoin, which if you weren't in one already, this system is saying that we are in one now. I wouldn't expect much more movement, however, out of Bitcoin, as it's just kind of trading along its 50-day moving average, as you can see here. Key level to watch would be 6,151.43. A move below that level would issue a new red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading week, and I'll be back up on Friday to give you some new numbers to look at next week.